Namaste everyone. Today we are going to learn HStack and ListView. Uh, we will pick example in which we will create a list view, and in that list view we will show uh, another view, list of another view with the help of HStack. So if you previously implemented and used UI kit and UI table view controller, then if you implemented custom table view shell, then you have to create a cell, custom table view shell. And after that, in delegate and data source, you implemented number of rows, number of section, and a cell for row at index path in the delegate and data source method of table view controller. So all that we are going to implement in this section with the help of Swift UI and with the help of list and HStack. So first we are going to create a view which will who will work as a uh, row. So you can select one file, Swift UI, U, and you can give, for example, user cell view. You can create. So here you can see that one stack user cell view has created. I also created one model class, user model class. There is ID and name, and another user class which is nothing, it is just returning 11 users, name and ID of 11 users here. So we are going to first create row. So we are going to use HStack. Here you can provide the spacing between elements. For example, I am going to give 10, and here I am going to add, for example, one image. System name info dot circle, and this sizable we can use width 25, height 25. So if we see it, then you can see that one image added. In the preview section also we are going to add one text, for example, demo. We can assign font, for example, light 3, font width, for example, light, sorry, that is light title 3, this is light, and foreground color, for example, brown. So here you can see that in horizontal stack there are two elements, image and text, and spacing is 10 between elements. So if we use our model class, for example, user model, then for testing purpose we can select any and we can assign in user model. You can see that there are two properties, one is ID and another is name, so we can use both ID name here. So let's start, for example, roll number model.id /n name is user model dot name, and if we refresh it, then you can see that there is roll number and name is coming roll number 1 and name is Ram. So we created one user cell view in which we are using one property user model, and we are using user model ID and name to show the label for this view. So if so we use HStack to create one row. So if we want to show all the list of users, then we have to you can use one list view, for example. Also you can see, and we can use for each section, but first we have to where user model equal user dot get all records. So it will return all the users record, and we are fetching from here, and we will use in the for each loop. And we just created one user cell view, so we just use that user cell view, and we can pass this user object here. And once you refresh it in the preview section, then you can see that all the user records incoming, and you can see that it is coming in the list form. Or if you use UI kit and table view controller, then you can think this is as a table view, and all are these are rows. So we created one user cell view which is working as a row. We use HStack. In HStack containing two elements, one is image and another is text, and we are showing this user cell view row in list view. In list view we use for each section, which is iterating all the users and just showing it. So today we learned list, HStack, and how can we implement table view controller in the Swift UI. Yeah, thanks for now.